Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
This ultra slim media gift box from OPPO just arrived, and at first glance, it's about the size of a folder. But what kind of surprises could be hidden inside something this sleek? OPPO calls it sporty, soft, and ultra thin. Sounds interesting already.
A quick shout out to my tech partner in China for sharing this video. Huge thanks for making it possible. Hey everyone, it's Milan from Techie Street. If you love keeping up with the latest gadgets, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss our exciting tech updates.
Let's open it up and see what's inside. Right on top, we've got a fluorescent green sun protective jacket. And wait, underneath that, there's a watch tucked away. Yes, you guessed it. This is the brand new OPPO Watch S, the next generation smartwatch. Wow, this thing is unbelievably thin. The frame is made from brushed aluminum alloy with polished edges on the top for that premium touch. OPPO has clearly been pushing boundaries when it comes to making their devices thinner. First with the Find N5 foldable, and now with this. Honestly, I'm not exaggerating when I say this might be the slimmest smartwatch I've ever seen. The OPPO Watch S has a 45mm display and the screen-to-body ratio reaches around 75%, which means those bezels are incredibly narrow. It looks elegant, refined, and classy from every angle. From the side, you can see that beautiful 2.5D curved glass. On the right, there's a crown and a secondary button with haptic feedback. When you lay it flat, the thin profile looks almost like a piece of art. To give you an idea, I placed it next to my MacBook Pro for comparison. It's even thinner than the Series 10 I used before. Plus, it feels noticeably lighter in hand. Once you put it on, it practically disappears. Sleek, comfortable, and understated. The strap it comes with is a blue-green rubber design that's 5A antibacterial rated. That means it stays clean and fresh even after hundreds of washes. And when you're working out, the lighter weight really makes a difference. It allows you to focus on your performance instead of what's on your wrist. For everyday wear, comfort matters too. Heavier watches tend to slide down or cause discomfort, especially for people with more prominent wrist bones. But this ultralight design from OPPO truly reduces hand fatigue. The Watch S perfectly showcases OPPO's focus on ergonomic and sensory design. Smooth, comfortable, and effortless. Now flipping it over, the sensor module looks quite similar to the one on the OPPO Watch X2. The hardware and algorithms appear to match that flagship level, so you can expect reliable tracking accuracy. Once powered on, the ColorOS interface runs beautifully, fast, fluid, and intuitive. The haptic feedback feels crisp and refined, giving the whole experience a premium touch. Overall, the OPPO Watch S is full of pleasant surprises. Since this was just an unboxing, I'll save the deep dive review and performance test for another video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. I'll be bringing you the full review very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.